In this short tutorial, you will learn how to cancel an Instagram story upload. If you accidentally posted something you don't want to share or changed your mind about a story, don't worry, there is a way to quickly remove it. To get started, open up the Instagram app, and then, for the purpose of this video, let's post a story. To do that, tap on the Your Story button at the top left. Then let's select a random video clip and share it as a story. Tap on the Your Story button again, and you'll see that the video is still uploading to Instagram, which means it is not yet public and not visible to others. I can cancel it if I want to. To cancel an Instagram story upload, tap on these three little dots at the bottom right, and then select the Cancel Upload option. Then tap Cancel Upload one more time to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.